You eat clean, you stretch in the morning, and you work hard to keep your body sleek, slender, and elegant. Sugar is not just empty calories. Sugar is a nutrient thief. When you consume refined sugar, your body has to process it. To do that, it spends its own premium reserves of vitamins and minerals. So every extra sweet drink is not only adding sugar, it is draining nutrients you need for energy, muscle definition, depuffed mornings, and clear, radiant skin. First, sugar targets your energy. Your body needs B vitamins, especially vitamin B1, to turn food into clean, usable energy. But when sugar comes in, B1 gets used up fast. For every 100 grams of sugar you eat, your body can burn through 0.5 to 1 milligram of vitamin B1. That is why the glow can disappear so quickly. Instead of feeling light, focused, and energized, you feel foggy, heavy, and tired, even when you slept enough. Then comes magnesium. Magnesium supports calm recovery, relaxed muscles, better sleep, and a smoother, less puffy look. But just 28 grams of sugar can flush 4 to 5 milligrams of magnesium straight out of your body. Less magnesium means more stress, worse sleep, and more water retention. The next morning, your face looks swollen, your legs feel heavy, and your clean routine suddenly feels like it is not working. But sugar does not stop there. Have you noticed that one dessert often makes you crave another? That is the chromium crash. Chromium helps keep blood sugar stable. But a high-sugar diet can drop chromium levels by 10% to 25%. Without enough chromium, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, and suddenly at 3 p.m., you are exhausted at your desk, staring at a sweet snack like it has control over you. This is how a clean diet gets broken. Not because you lack discipline, but because your minerals are being pulled out of balance. Sugar also affects the foundation of your elegant posture. Calcium is not only about bones. It supports the graceful, upright structure that makes a slender figure look refined and strong. But eating 50 grams of sugar can flush 10 to 15 milligrams of calcium out of your body. Over time, that weakens the foundation your body depends on. Strong bones, clean posture, and the long, lifted look you train for. Now, here is the beauty secret most people miss. Sugar fights vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen helps skin look firm, bright, smooth, and naturally youthful. But sugar and vitamin C have similar structures, so when too much sugar is present, they compete to enter your cells, and sugar usually wins. If you consume over 100 grams of sugar in a day, it can reduce your body's absorption of vitamin C by up to 50%. That means less collagen support, less firmness, more dullness, and a harder time achieving that bare-faced, hydrated, clear skin glow. This is why skincare alone is not enough. You can apply the serum and follow the routine perfectly, but if sugar is stealing nutrients underneath, your skin has to fight harder. So, where is the danger zone? Under 20 grams of sugar a day, minimal impact. 50 to 75 grams a day, the theft begins. Over 100 grams a day, you are in the danger zone for nutrient depletion. Your blood only needs a tiny amount of glucose. When you flood it with excess sugar, your body releases a large spike of insulin to clear it away. That excess can be stored as fat. Even if you are naturally slim, this can create the soft, undefined look people call skinny fat. Less visible muscle tone, less sharpness, and less of that sleek definition you work for in the studio. So the goal is not fear. The goal is control. If you want to stay slender, depuffed, and radiant, protect your nutrients. Choose whole foods that replenish what sugar tries to steal. High-quality protein, colorful vegetables, fresh berries, avocado, salmon, and mineral-rich meals that keep your energy stable. To wrap things up, let's review exactly why we are leaving excess sugar behind. First, sugar isn't just empty calories. It is an active nutrient thief. Second, it drains your B vitamins and magnesium, leaving you fatigued and holding onto stubborn water weight and morning puffiness. Third, it crashes your chromium levels, triggering intense cravings that can derail your clean eating. Fourth, sugar actively blocks vitamin C, breaking down your collagen and stealing your skin's natural radiance. And finally, excess sugar spikes insulin, leading straight to visceral fat and that soft, skinny fat look. No matter how slim you naturally are, protect your nutrients, protect your elegance. And I will see you in the next video.